What's up guys, it's your boy AB Cooking. Today we're going to show you the amazing battle. Today we have a thrilling salad showdown. In the left corner we have a sauteron and the right corner homemade salad. It will be Caesar and let's see what it will be. Who will emerge victorious? Let's find right now. Now we're gonna to order sauteron. Oh, we have a free delivery. So nice. And now we're gonna to order our salad in the clove, so it have to be in 30 minutes. Here is some more ingredients. You can choose romaine or you can choose usual salads, it doesn't matter, but it will be very tasty. Romaine, parmesan, nut, garlic, mushrooms, that is healthy bread for crouton, eggs for mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and yeast.
I'm good. I'm still here.
You have no idea how much that means to me. I really mean it. That's why I'm calling you, for real.
Well.
So here is our sizzler. And unpacking. Here we have our salads, croutons, and sauce. Let's try the sauce. Mayonnaise and that's all. What about croutons? It's something like this. I don't know if you wanna to eat this. And what about our Caesar? So it's look like this, and I don't know. Not bad, but not ramen. It is just chicken, tomatoes, which is not bad. Let's cook our Caesar. Now we're gonna to make a sauce. All we need to the sauce is some oil, lime juice, 1 egg, and garlic. Also sugar, salt, pepper. Let's start. Some oil, 1 egg, and now we're gonna to marinate our mushroom. All we need is oil, garlic, paprika powder, and some chili. Now let's marinate our croutons. We also use paprika, it's small paprika, garlic powder. I use a lot because I love garlic. And chili, as you remember, it's optional. Now we're gonna to put it in the oven. Mushroom is about 30 minutes for 180. And croutons about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna to mix this sauce with the salads. And here we have our salads. The time of choosing our vegetarian Caesar or Caesar from Salotera. You can choose it in your comments. So now our operator will try and choose which one is better. Let's go. Here is first. Take please. Keep of that. Yeah, please. And now the second one. Give me your hand, like this, and try. I choose the second one. Yes? Yes, we am. Well, there you have your folks eat. A surprising turn of events, as our homemade vegan salad stole the show. It is a winner and it's go up. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and tell us what do you want to see in the next video. Good luck!